Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using Canva AI, step by step, super easy, even if you've never designed anything before. So let's jump right in. First things first, you want to type into your search bar Canva AI. And then you click on the first one you see, Canva AI, your all-in-one AI assistant. And then you're going to want to press try Canva AI. If you don't have an account, I have a previous video on that, so you can go and watch that. Step 2. Once you're on the homepage, type in presentation, type in make me a presentation, and then you're going to type in what you want. I'm going to say about climate change for high school students. So I send it through and it will make me a presentation about climate change for high school students. We wait for it to make it. So it's given us like a lot of options. So it's just basically telling us what we want. So let's do educational, and then we can do 1 to 5 pages, keep it short and simple, and we can do minimalist. So we submit and it will base it off that because we didn't really put enough information in this one. So now it's just giving us a preview of what it's going to look like. So if you go through that and you like everything, you're going to press generate, but if you don't, you can ask it to change some things. So I'm just going to press generate. And it's going to give us multiple options on which one we like the best. It's going to take a little bit. After it's customized your slides, you can edit the text, change the colors and fonts, add images, icons, or videos, and you can just drag and drop them from the toolbar. You don't need to make anything. So now it's given us a couple of options, so let's go through them all and see which one I like best. I think I like this one the best, so let's click on this, and as you can see, it's given us a bunch of like basic rundown everything, and you can even if you don't like everything, you can change it by pressing use Canva editor, and it will take you to just normal Canva, and you can change the things about it that you don't like. So you could change the font if you want to. So you could change it to this one, you can change it to whatever you want. And once you're happy with it, you can save it as a PDF or PowerPoint, or you can present your work directly from Canva. Easy, clean, and professional. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.